guys, we're out here and we got this kayak that I'm going to be fishing out of today. And I got my little yellow rod that kind of actually matches the kayak. And I'm going to be filming a bluegill video out in the water. And I got this cheese stick for bait and just typical bluegill video, but instead of doing it from land, I'm going to be doing it in the water. I'm going to have you guys propped up on land with the tripod. And yeah, hopefully I can catch some bluegill for the video. So I'm going to get it in the water and I'll see you then. Guys, there's a little bit of wind right now, so I'm going to be drifting, but I'm going to start fishing. Guys, the bluegill are eating it. Got one. In the kayak. Guys, that's my first fish ever in the kayak. I hope you can hear me fine. I'm gonna release him. Here he goes. There we go. You good?
Oh, I see one.
Got him.
Nice.
In the kayak. That's my second ever fish in the kayak. Just gotta let him down. There we go.
It had like a
Black
brownish tail.
Guys, here's the second bluegill in the kayak. Release him. It's cool seeing him swim down. Got him. Here he is. Guys, there we go. There's a bluegill in the kayak. Got one. Guys, another bluegill in the kayak. Guys, I'm back from the kayak. I was catching some bluegill out there, but I think it kept spooking them because I constantly had to readjust because I kept drifting and it was kind of making a lot of noise. So I got out and now I'm going to start catching the bluegill from the shore. Got one. Go back in the water. Sorry, you guys didn't get to see him. Oh, guys, I just had one. Some smaller bluegill. Oh, got the big one. There we go, guys. That is a bigger bluegill. Let's get them unhooked. They love this cheese. You can throw any artificial at them. You'll eventually get them, but the cheese gets them first try. There we go. There we go. It's a good one. We're gonna release him. Right back where he belongs. There you go. I don't really want to eat him. I'm gonna deal with some smaller ones. Oh no. Guys, I hooked a giant bass. Guys, I hooked a giant bass. Oh no, he's in the grass. Oh, I got him. There we go. I was not planning on catching a giant bass. Okay. Guys, this hook is tiny too. I have no idea how I did this. Oh guys, the hook just fell out. There he is. Bass. Alright, let's get him back. There he goes. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video and seeing me fish out of the kayak. That was my first time ever doing it, so let me know if I did anything wrong or any improvements I can make. But I hope you enjoyed. I'll see you next time. Goodbye and happy